Good morning. Welcome to day 4. We're at Tri-State, our home track. We love it here. Got rained out yesterday, so I didn't put a video out. I will definitely get one today. We are ready to go. Pitting next to Ricky again. His car is running good. Like to shout out to My Credit Guy for sponsoring Ricky's car for this day. And weather looks really good. No rain in sight. I think we're going to have a good day. We'll see you on the track. Okay, yeah, not exactly the run I wanted, but not bad. I'm actually pretty happy. First time I've ever spun off the line. I was dead hooking before, so I'm working on the launch. We did 1363 at 100.5. So the mile an hour wasn't there, but there's a lot of water in the air. Not complaining at all. That puts me where I need to be, and that was a good run. I think we got better footage of it this time because we could actually get near the track. And I think my in-car worked. We'll find out. Still getting the hang of this. Really having a lot of fun. So, and again, big shout out to My Credit Guy. In the description, link in the description, what they're all about. And having a good day. We're going to get on the road. Well, how's the ride, Ricky?
It was hot, pretty uneventful. About 10 miles a gallon.
That's all right.
So
It's an easy number to do math with.
yeah,
So we're at the block party.
yeah. I don't know when. I know there's. I think down there ways should be burnouts later, maybe throughout the day. But
Well,
lanes, well, they just called open runs at Tri-State.
Right.
So I mean, a lot of people probably aren't
Still-
going to be here for a while, so who knows what we'll see or not. Because we were some of the first to leave
Right.
Tri-State, so
Yeah, one and done.
Yeah, luckily. I like to hang around and see some racing, but I like to cool off a little bit too.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's nice.
That's like a shaved engine bay.
Yeah, that's really nice.
Hey. I think we always need to pop our hood to cool off a little bit.
All this wind, you afraid of blowing the hood away?
A little bit, but
Yeah, why don't you just leave it?
yeah.
All right, this wraps up day 4. We made it to Byron, staying at my sister-in-law's house, so we don't have to get a hotel or sleep at the track or something. So we're about 2-3 miles away. Just got to break the beans, and we finished the week. Absolute fun week. Proud of you, Ricky, all the hard work you put in your car and how well it's hanging in there. Ran a record pass for your car today, and a mile an hour was there. Things pulling on the top end on that motor we built. I'm pretty proud of that.
Right.
And of course, this Challenger is doing good, and no problem there. I didn't expect a problem, but you never know. I didn't break it. I think I've sort of figured out how to drive it.
Like a man.
You gotta give her hell off the line. And I had a 191 60 foot or something like that today, so that was good. And pretty happy overall on the whole trip, and it's averaging 24 miles a gallon.
That's crazy.
Yeah, I know.
It would be probably less if you weren't following me the entire time.
Yeah, we're driving it nice and easy because you gotta drive yours easy, but I'm just impressed your car made it.
Yeah.
I didn't, when we set out to do this, I did not expect it to finish, and I didn't even think we'd go through with it. But your wife's a trooper. I don't believe it, but she's hanging in there, and so we all had fun.
The worst part about the entire trip with Dusters is the gas mileage.
Yeah, we're guessing 10. It's probably closer to 9.
It was sucking fuel.
Yeah. So we're gonna look it over tonight. Check the valves one more time. We might swap the plugs out. Give her everything she got tomorrow.
Right.
So, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like, subscribe, and we'll definitely see you on the next one. One more for this event.